Hey everybody, Matty here with Backwoods Mindset. So boy, do we have a video for you today. It's the first video that I've done coming back after taking off a few weeks. So this week was Aiden's birthday. It was on Monday. Yeah. And we're doing his birthday party the following Saturday. So we got a little show for you. You're going to see what we're going to be doing here. All right, so what we're going to be doing for Aiden's birthday, we stopped, we got some McDonald's. That's what the guys wanted. They all wanted McDonald's. We're going to be doing a little fishing competition. So I'm going to go into Walmart with the kids. We're going to take them all in. I'm going to buy a fishing rod, and whoever catches the first fish tonight is going to get the rod. So that's what we're doing. And I'm going to show you our contestants. So we're going to start over here. We're going to go left to right. Well, we'll start with this one. You guys know this girl.
Darcy.
And then we got
Peter. Aiden.
You know him.
Mm-hmm.
And Joel. And so the three boys back there, Aiden, those are Aiden's two best friends. They've been friends since they were in grade school together. Joel you were a year older, right, Joel?
Yeah,
or not a year older, but you're grade above. Because they have the July birthday. So Joel's parents put him in early. So Joel was the youngest in his grade. And we put Aiden in the next year. So Aiden was the oldest in his grade. And then Petey was in Aiden's grade. So, but they've been best friends for a long time. So they're having a little sleepover tonight. We're going to do some fishing. We're going to do this contest, and we're going to see who's going to get a fishing rod. I brought my lights and stuff, so we're good to go. But we'll be back here. We're going to run into Walmart. We need to get snacks, drinks, bait. We're using shrimp tonight, and the fishing rod, and we'll be back. All right, so we just got out of Walmart, and I got one of those Tiger 3 rod and reel combos I've talked about before. The price has gone up on them a little bit. I think they're like 26 bucks now. But got one of those, so we're gonna take off. We're gonna go jump on the highway. We're gonna get out to where we're fishing, and let's see who catches a fish first. Okay, so we're down at the river right now. We got Darcy over here. She's over there, and she has her rod in the water. She's actually using the big boy rod tonight. She's got the 10-footer that she's using. And then I'm just using my two Abu Garcias. And then this Joel over here is using a Berkeley big game. Aiden over here is using one of my Tiger spinning rods. Aiden's right here in his chair. And he's using the Tiger. And then we got Petey down here. He's using bait casting Berkeley. Right, Petey?
Yeah.
And Aiden, I think, has been getting some bites. And he was saying that it was my rod, but I think it was his. So we don't know. We don't know, but he's the birthday boy, so he can do what he wants. He can cry if he wants to. I don't know. But I'm gonna get going. I gotta call Oak back, Outdoor Adventures with Carrie. I was just on the phone with her and I had really bad reception. So I'm gonna give her a call back, and we'll be back in a little bit. Hopefully we'll be catching some fish. So Joel's got one on. He's reeling right now. Uh-oh. Here, take this. Did it just break? Oh no, it broke off. Oh, this is a big fish. It broke. Oh, the handle completely broke off. All right, do this. Go find me a stick. Yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to get a stick on the line and reel it up that way. I don't know what else to do, because this handle just broke. See, it completely broke off. Is it too big? That's way too big. So, using it for like, we're gonna roll it like here. I don't want this to break. I'm really nervous about this. It has line on it. Okay. Well, there's a stick already with line on it. Okay. Well, this is what you do. All right. Hold up. It's so hard to reel it. It was like stiff. I need somebody just to hold this. Don't pull it, just hold it.
Okay.
Man, this is a big fish.
It was super. I'm wondering if it's because you swapped the side of it.
Nah.
Man, I broke.
Nah, it's alright.
Should we look for another sticker?
Man, this sucker's really strong. I don't want to break this line. I think you let go.
What?
We're gonna find out. I don't know. I don't know if he did or if he's just swimming towards us. We're gonna find out though. Man, it kind of. Oh, I don't think it's there. I think it's gone.
Yeah. Broke it. That sucks. Oh, you broke the reel. Yeah, you can swap the reel.
Yeah, I can get a new reel. I'm not worried about it. Stuff happens. It was a clean break.
I thought it was like I just came loose.
Well, we thought we had one. I'm pretty sure it's gone. Or I broke the leader, which could have happened too. So we'll see. Man, that was out there. Yeah, there's no fish on it. Dang it.
That's Aiden. I mean,
Yep, hook's there.
professional stage.
Yeah, we'll get more rods.
All right.
He had a fish on, and the reel broke, which I'm kind of disappointed in. Stuff like that happens, though. Nothing you can do about it. So we got other rods here. We're gonna get him set up with another one. So he almost won a fishing rod, but unfortunately, that rod broke. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get another one going. But we'll be back here in a little bit, hopefully with a fish on. Okay, so Joel's got another one on. Let's turn this light up here so we can see. We're going to turn the clicker off. Okay, and he's reeling. Does it feel like it's still on there?
Yeah.
Here, I'm going to take this off.
Did the clicker come back on?
No, it did. Yeah. There we go. So we got Joel bringing this one in. I'm probably going to have to go down This was like almost instantaneously. I got him another rod. I got him another Berkeley big game. We'll see what he's got, what he's pulling up here though. I'm probably gonna have to go down to the water to get it. So Darcy might have to take over. Did he just come off?
No.
No, he's still on there?
Yeah.
Okay. Darcy may have to take over here.
Dude, he's big. Holy crap.
All right,
there he is, I think.
Don't reel him up too far. Let me.
Oh.
I'm gonna go down and get him. Try to. Hold on. Don't reel anymore.
I still got him
He's
tied
big,
on.
dude.
Got me a reel or?
You're gonna have to tire him out. He's real big, dude. All right, stop right there.
Get a scale? Weight? Probably. I don't know how to grab them. I only have to tell like Google.
Walk him this way.
It's my first cat.
You're a big dude, man. Big old dude.
Oh my.
Woo. That's woo. Oh, son of a gun. Dude, this dude's angry, man.
Holy crap.
This might be the same guy.
I think it is. That felt about the same weight.
Wedged himself in these rocks. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
You big dude, man. Congratulations. You just won yourself a rod too. He's fat. Look at this dude. Where'd that hook go? Did he get the hook out? No, it's still there.
It's
Right
just
there.
loose.
You can see the second hole from the other time you got him.
Here we go.
Here, where do I put
Look at this guy. So this is Joel's first catch. You want to hold him?
Maybe. I've never.
Come here.
Aiden.
Here, I'll teach you. Aiden's going in now. Hey, Darcy, go over and get Aiden.
Should I
real
reel
quick.
this in?
Yeah. Just kind of reel it up. Then set it down. Aiden, slow, dude. Slow. I know you're excited.
It almost went into the water.
I'm gonna have to go down again.
Alright. I think he's gone.
Is he gone?
Maybe? I think he's gone.
Mine felt like it was gone and then he came back.
Maybe? Maybe not. He's there! He's definitely there!
Do you want me to try and take him? Or? I mean, I've never held a cat.
It's gone.
I'm gonna show you in a minute.
It's
really easy.
think it's gone? I think he got off. Did he get off?
Yeah.
Okay, so Aiden lost him. Come over here, Darcy. We're gonna get Joel holding this butte. All right, so what you do,
Alright.
see how I'm holding it like this?
Yeah.
Okay, take your hand, put it where mine is. Okay, hold it tight, like squeeze it. Okay?
Okay.
Take your other hand here in the front, keep it behind this.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. There's your first one. So Joel's first, is this your first catfish?
Yeah.
All right, look at this hole.
Oh my gosh.
It's all right. It's all right. Here, right here, up here in the front.
Yeah.
That will hurt your hand. So you always want to go behind it. But that's a good fish. It's a good fish. I'd say 8, 9, 10 pounds, somewhere around there. Until he's got a little cut there on his side. But we're gonna get this guy back in the water so that he can make some more babies, or she, I don't know. But it's a good sized channel cat. Congratulations, dude. You got your first channel, and I'll get those pictures over to you too. But I'm gonna get this back in the water, and we'll be back here soon. At least we got a fish.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've been out here for a couple hours. It's starting to get a little chilly outside. It's actually cooled down a lot today. It's been kind of warm, and it's supposed to be warm again tomorrow, but it's late too. So me and the kids, we're gonna get everything packed up, and we got a winner. So we caught one fish tonight. We had a bunch of hits. You saw Aiden lost one. You saw Joel lost one at the beginning. Petey had some bites. I had some bites. Darcy had some bites. We just didn't catch a whole lot. It is July, so it's this would be post spawn, and I'm surprised that we even had bites tonight. So, but it was a good night. The kids had fun. We're going to be doing some more fishing tomorrow. But somebody won a fishing rod, so let's see. Look what he's got here. So we got him one of the Tiger. We got him the blue one, the Tiger 3 rods. So he is the proud owner of a new rod, and we'll be doing this again. So we'll see. Maybe next time Petey's going to be the lucky one, or Darcy, or Aiden. It could be any one of them. But we're going to get going here. You're going to see some more video tomorrow. We're going to go fish after I get back from church tomorrow. So I'm going to take the guys out, and we're going to go do a little fishing again. But we'll be back. All right, so it's day 2. Joel had to go home. His parents picked him up. I got Petey and Aiden in the back, and I got Darcy here with me. And we've got the bait poles out. We're going to do a little bit different fishing today. We're going to go, and we're going to try to catch some bluegills. I might not be fishing, or I might grab one of my rods out and see what I can do, but I don't know yet. We'll find out. We do have to stop. We got to get some redworms. All I had in my fridge was some night crawlers. So we're going to stop at Walmart, because I'd like to get I think it's Bill Dance has, promotes a redworm. I don't know. They're awesome though. They work great. So we do have a little bit. It's not supposed to rain, but the clouds up ahead don't look too good. I'll show you here. So I don't know. I thought we were supposed to have nice weather. I guess we're going to find out. But we're going to go. We're going to do some fishing. I know these guys all over here, I know they hope that they can catch some stuff today. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll be back. So Darcy and I just ran in to Walmart, and they didn't have the red worms. So we got green worms that are night crawlers. I was hoping to find some smaller worms, but they didn't have it. And then I just got some smaller hooks that we're gonna use. So I got some size 6, just a few of them. Gonna get the rods hooked up when we get there. It does look like there's some rain moving in, so we're gonna try to get fishing and get it done as soon as we can. Okay, so we just got to the pond, and we're getting out. We're gonna grab the rods. I'm gonna get them set up. Darcy's got the bag with the stuff from Walmart in it. Petey and Aiden are gonna grab the rods, and we're gonna get some fishing done, hopefully, before we get rained on. Oh, I just felt sprinkles, man. So we're out here at the pond, and right now you can hear in the background there's some thunder. Seems like it's pretty far away. We're going to try to get in as much fishing as we can. As you can see, the kids are over here. You got Petey, Aiden's over there, and Darcy's down there. She does this thing where she crouches down to fish, and she fishes like this. Did you hear that? That's not good. Been feeling little itty bitty sprinkles, so we're gonna see how long we can do this for. You can see on the water, I'll show you, there's some raindrops. If that happens, I'm probably gonna have to put the camera away. Of course, the kids just cast it in. I don't know if you can see on the water, we got some little itty bitty raindrops right now. So they're out here, they're trying though. We're trying to get as much in as we can. I didn't know it was going to do this. Yesterday, it showed that it was going to be nice, and we had a chance of rain on, I think it was Tuesday maybe, I think it said, but I'm going to check the radar here. I'm going to see where it is. Maybe we just got to go sit in the truck for a little bit, and then we can come back out and try again. I haven't seen what it looks like yet, but we're going to take a look. It's really starting to thunder behind us now, so we're gonna see. It's not coming down real bad, it's just kind of sprinkling, but it is above us, as you can see on the radar there. So I'm gonna pay attention to it. We're not far away from the truck. The truck's right there, you can see it right ahead. So we're not too far away, but hopefully if we got to make a run for it, we can get over there real quick. But it does look like a nasty storm. There's other stuff west of us moving towards us. So we may just see if we can get back to the truck if it gets too bad, and then we can wait until it clears up a little bit and then come out and try to hit it again. So, but we'll see what happens. So the wind's really starting to pick up now. I think you can hear it. Sorry if you can. You can see it in the trees. They're moving. The rain's getting a little bit heavier, so I might have to put the GoPro away here. But the kids are they're still out here. They're toughing it out. So we'll see what happens. But it's getting a little breezy. So what do you think, Petey? You think that the rain's gonna hold off? You think it's gonna slow down?
Yeah, I think so.
You think
Probably
so?
in the next couple minutes, I would say.
Yeah.
Because it's already slowed down.
Yeah, all the thunder it's all north of us. So Lake Erie's out that way, and it sounds like it's still over the lake. What about you guys? Do you guys think that the rain's gonna slow down? Yeah. Yeah? What about you, Darce? You don't know? She's out here though. This is Darcy's spot. This is where she likes to fish. This is where she catches all of her big bluegill. They're spread out pretty good. There were a bunch of people over here. They all left. There's people down there still fishing. There's somebody over at that corner that's still fishing. So I don't know. You can see the clouds. It doesn't look good, but nothing's gotten crazy yet. It's been, I don't know. It's been okay. It's just kind of sprinkling a little bit. So let's hope for the best. So it started coming down a little bit heavier. You can see we decided the kids are putting the rods in the back of the truck right now, and they're going to hop up in here, and we're going to try to get out of the rain. I'm going to check the radar again and see if it's going to be moving out of here so we can get back out there. But we figured we better be safe than sorry. Get out. We don't need anybody getting hit by lightning. We heard some thunder. It was getting closer, and now the rain's coming down a little harder. So we're going to give it a minute here, and we'll see what happens. Darcy over here is being safe. Put on her seatbelt, and we'll be back here in a little bit. So we decided we're just going to call it. We gave it a shot. The rain just keeps coming down. It's not even fun. There's thunder. There's lightning. There's lightning pretty close to us, so we're not going to risk it. We're just going to call it. That's the end of the video. We gave it a shot. We're going to keep trying to get out as much as we can. That's the whole point of this channel, is outdoors, fishing, doing stuff out. The kids and I should have some more stuff for you. Hopefully we can get Mrs. Backwoods out too. I know you guys haven't seen her in a while. Heck, you haven't seen me in a while. So we'll be back here though. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, everybody. Say bye, guys.
Bye.